Hi, my name is Josh Wibskowski with Best Tax Pro. Our team of former IRS revenue agents, tax attorneys, enrolled agents, and CPAs have over 200 years of experience working with the IRS. Understand that when the IRS sends you a letter of intent or notice of intent, that there is an IRS computer system that just spits these out systematically. After you've gotten a series of 4 or 5 letters from the IRS, and these letters are the CP 501, CP 503, CP 504, probably kicked off with like a CP 2000. The more likely you are to get the letter from the IRS called the CP 1058. Now that 1058 letter gives you due process rights. If you don't contact the IRS at that point, they're going to send out bank levies and wage garnishment notices. Nobody really wants to ever do that, but in their mind at the IRS, especially if you haven't contacted them, this is one way to shake things up and get a little of your attention. You see, the IRS has a very structured timetable in dealing with you. 5 weeks after you get that CP 504 letter, that letter of intent is the next letter coming out. So you want to pay attention to that letter, and when you get it, contact us. Our team can help you settle your tax problem with the IRS. If you'd like to schedule your free 30-minute consultation with me or any one of the former IRS revenue agents on my team, click the link below or call me at 763-477-4205. Thank you very much.